Hi, my name is Scott Kelly, and today we are in Atwater Village in Los Angeles, right next to Griffith Park, and we're in a high-performance home that we just finished doing the insulation on. The insulation that we installed here is Knauf Jetstream Ultra fiberglass insulation. It is a blown-in fiber, which is chemical-free, and that's why we really like it. The system that you see behind me, this is called the blown-in blanket system. And the blown-in blanket system, once we pump it in there, that insulation will go around all the wires and all the pipes, anything that's in there, and it'll go and touch all 6 sides. And why do we want that? Because we want to have a QII, which is a Title 24 California measure that gives you credit for having QII. And so it ups the ability to get a better energy report. It gets a better R value in the house. It's touching all 6 sides, like I said. We use it in underfloors. We use it between walls, interior walls. We use it in every type of wall and floor and underfloor and stairs. And then all those areas that we've done, the in-between walls, if you will, non-exterior walls, we've done that sheerly because it's the best way to make a control sound. So every room we go into, it's really quiet from room to room because of this type of insulation. So thank you for joining me here in Atwater Village in Los Angeles and looking at the blown-in blanket system installed. Thank you.